In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email background color in Mailchimp. If you want your email to feel on brand and easy to read, adjusting the background color is a quick win. We'll walk through where to find the setting and what each option controls, so you can make confident choices without hunting around the interface. First, open the specific email you want to update inside your Mailchimp account. This could be a draft campaign or a reusable template. Either works. Once you're looking at the email, choose Edit to enter the editing mode. The Mailchimp editor will load with a live preview in the center and your controls in a panel on the left. That left pane is where you'll make the change. In the left panel, look for the Styles area. It may be grouped alongside other design controls like fonts and buttons. Go ahead and open the Styles tab, then select Background. This is the section that determines the color behind your email content, and in many templates, the color behind the entire email canvas. Inside Background, you'll typically see two related options: background and body color. Background usually controls the outer area, the space around your main content. Body color usually controls the color behind the content area itself, where your text and images live. Think of background as the page, and body as the card on top of that page. Depending on your template, these labels may slightly vary, but the idea stays the same. Use the color selector or enter a hex code to match your brand. As you adjust each color, watch how the preview updates so you can instantly gauge contrast and readability. If your email has text on top of a colored body area, make sure the text is clear and accessible. Dark text on a light body color or light text on a dark body color generally works best. If you're pairing the background and body colors, choose tones that complement each other so your content area stands out without clashing. If your template includes image blocks or section dividers, check how your new colors interact with those elements. A subtle neutral background often helps photos pop, while a lightly tinted body color can add warmth without overwhelming the design. Once you're satisfied, that's it. The change is made right in the editor. You can always return to this same background section later to refine your choices or swap colors for a future campaign. With this simple adjustment, your emails can look more polished, more on brand, and easier to read.